Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the continue keyword. Now, the continue keyword is similar in nature to the break keyword, but what it actually does is it doesn't break out of the loop altogether. It just breaks out of that iteration. So if there's something you don't want to do for a particular case, you can use the continue keyword. So that's what we're going to be talking about. Monday.com is your visual project management solution. This is the tool that allows you to see where every task or project stands with a single glance. With a fully customizable interface, you can create the exact workflow that you need for you and your team to get stuff done. Monday.com is available on mobile and integrates well with some of the most popular tools out there, so get your life in order by giving it a try for free. Link in the description. Alright, so let's talk about the continue keyword. Let's first run this program and see what the output is, so you can just have a context. So we have an iteration counting down from 9 to 0, and then each iteration it does the same thing, but it starts at one number lower. So let's say we wanted to do this, but we wanted to skip a particular number, such as 3. That's where the keyword continue could come in. So we can say if k is, if k is equal to 3, what are we going to do? We're going to continue. We're not going to break because that's going to stop all the output. Continue is just going to skip the output for the case equals 3. So let's run this, see how it changes things. So it goes 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. You can see it skips 3. We could do something similar for the outer loop. So that might look like so. We could say if I is equal to 8, we're going to continue. So none of this is going to be hit. Run this bad boy, let's see what we get. All right, so the first iteration counts down from 9, skipping 3 from this right here. And then the next iteration counts down from 7. So the entire stream starting at 8 is gone. That's because this entire inner for loop was skipped because we continued to the next iteration of this outer for loop. So hopefully that makes continue nice and clear. Break and continue are very useful for basically jumping out of loops or particular iterations of a loop when you don't want something to happen or you don't need the processing to continue. So hopefully that was helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you've liked this content. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to be talking about arrays. So if you guys are excited to see my pretty face, you can go check out the next video.